Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty has performed and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can perform on Monday. See, if you look at this chart, we have seen that this range is break and the Nifty has performed upside. Suppose now it has made a range of, if you look at from 22nd of, if we look at from September, we have seen a range is forming in this particular Bank Nifty. Okay, suppose if this range breaks upside above a level of 350, then we can see further upside in the Bank Nifty. But as of now it is trading in this particular range, but we have seen a continuous uptrend if we look at from 30th September. See, now we high of that particular is 38,104 and a low it has made around 36,874. Suppose if the price move if it opens in this particular range itself, okay, then there is a probability that 38,104 will be act as a strong resistance. Okay, and then before that 37,925 will be a resistance, but that if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 38,104, and this level is already tested twice, so we can see it can go further upside and we can see a new high in the Bank Nifty. Okay, but suppose if it opens below a level of 37,657, then there is a probability there can be a bounce back from this level, and 37,400 will act as a support, and plus 37,344 will act as a support. We can see a bounce back from this level, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 36,897 also, and then if this level breaks, then we can see a strong support coming at around 36,517. Okay, suppose if the price opens above this level 38,110, then we can see a new high in Bank Nifty as well. So what we have to do is let's wait where the market opens and then we'll take our trade accordingly. See, if we talk about Nifty, see, Nifty we have seen it has already averaged at a level of 17,895. Suppose if the price and these 17,945 is already tested twice, so chances are very high that it can go and make a new high. Okay, suppose if it opens in this particular range and if it comes above, if it goes above a level of 17,885, then we can see there can be a new high in the Nifty. Okay, suppose if this didn't sustain this level, okay, and if it goes below a level of 17,877, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 17,828, and from there if it didn't sustain that also, then probably it can go and touch a level of 17,664, and if that level didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 736. Okay, and from there if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 637, and from there if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 58,580, and from there we can see a level of 17,545. Okay, and a strong support coming at around 17,460. If this level didn't sustain, then we can see further downside in the Nifty. Suppose if it opens in this particular range and if it goes above a level of 17,877, then we can see yes, there is a probability it can make a new high. Okay, if it sustain above a level of 17,877, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 18,000. So we have to wait for the first 3-minute candle and then we'll decide where the market opens and then we'll trade accordingly. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.